Welcome to raigurkul.com. In this video, we'll discuss about how to toggle feature through REST API in Jira. So generally, when we are working into Jira board or projects, we will have several features which is enabled or disabled. If we want to toggle some of the features through REST API, we have to this just like do this. For performing this type of activity through REST API, we have to enable and disable this toggle feature. So we'll see here how to do it practically. For doing this activity, we need to have API and the token ID, which we have to enter it into the authorization sections to make sure our connection will be established. Whenever our connection will be established, we'll be able to perform any activity through REST API. Now here I've already configured. If you don't know how to do it, please watch my previous video. I will include the complete Jira playlist into description tab so that it will be easy for you to access. For performing toggle actions, we need to select put method. When we are adding put method, we have to also define the path for which path. But for getting this detail, we need board ID. So let's send this command and select any of the boards and make sure whatever boards we are selecting, we have to select the board from next generation project. If we are not selecting the board from the next generation project, we won't be able to perform it. So my next generation project is board ID 3. So here I'm adding 3, send the command, and we can see the detail about this board. After that, we have to just add feature. And when I want to extract the detail from the feature, I can see complete feature detail is here. That same detail, we can see it into our Jira board. So if you can see report sections, and even here, the reports is disabled as of now. If I want to enable it from REST API, then I have to write something. So you can see this is my report sections and toggle is locked, which is false and disabled in state. But if I want to do it, I have to select put method, and then enter board ID. So exactly same board ID which I have specified here, I have to select it. Then features. So you can get the feature detail from GSW agility reports. So you can see we have to copy and paste it here, and we want to enable it. If we want to disable it, simply write false. If you want to enable it, just make as true. Then click on send. Once we'll send, we will see the status has been updated successfully. You can see it's enabled and exactly same thing happens. It means that will be enabled here as well. So you can see where's the report section that's enabled. If we want to disable it again, simply we have to write it as a false. Done. Send the command, and now this time the report sections will be disabled. We can see in both the places, here as well as from UI. Not as yes, you can see this disabled, and once we refresh the page, we'll see exactly same thing is also available here. This is disabled. So this is how we can toggle feature through REST API in Jira. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle. Thank you for watching.